quick overview of the Vevor 19x14 case. It sits barely at 18. And that's more or less correct at 14. Overall, it's a nice feeling case. The latches are nice, satisfying click. You got padlock holes. The airtight valve here. Inside, you get egg crate style for the top. You actually get two sizes for the plug-in foam. This one's measuring at about 40. This is measuring about 30. So for MacBooks, you'd probably want to utilize this. For any large gaming like an Asus or an Alienware or maybe even an MSI, I guess it depends on how old laptops are, since most of those are actually becoming slimmer and slimmer. Take that information and do with what you will. Interior, barely at 17. Barely 11.5. Depth, just above 3. Squares size in at about 12, 14. It's typical size. What I'm actually going to use for this is for this APC over here, which will be plucked as such.